Good morning, everyone. Good morning. Hope all is well. So the VIX is just really going up insane, huh? 220, I'm sorry, 220, 2807. I think somebody mic is hot. I'm not sure who might that Russell, I think that's you. Your mic is hot. I got you. Okay. So the VIX is 2807, which is extremely high. Get some stuff out of the way. So there were orders on the books for the sell side at 202. Now it's more so 201.80, which is near where we were talking about. Well, I was talking about pre-market 202. There's a higher one at 202 flat. I'm not looking for anything other than the fade. I don't necessarily like the buying here. Just looking at what other participants have done. Now, unless price drops down to 199. But I'm not looking to buy it. All signs to me point to fade, just looking at what the other participants have done in the 202 and the 201 price area. I mean, I can't pick and choose, but I would rather see price go higher in the 201s or the 202s to really get the warm and fuzzies on the sell. Price is expensive as well on the options. 202s are going for at the moment $237 and 201's $184. So with prices that high, spread is pretty wide, VIX is extremely high, and as price continues to fall, the opportunity is looking less and less like a day we play, but not going to call it until cash open. And it looks like the sell side is fading down as well with the buy side. So now 201.70 has large lots. That still needs to pop first. Right now, prices are 201.26. And there's a huge buy order at 290 and 280. But that doesn't make sense to what's going on. The sentiment of the market. 201.60, 70, and 80 is what looks like the buy side is focusing on. It has a lot of staying power. But price will need to pop with 28 seconds until cash open. Yeah, this we may have to sit on our hands at least the first few minutes. I guarantee you the spread is going to be wide with the high VIX, and prices may not go down as much. So we got a couple of things that's going against us. On the way, it would look good if we pop higher with what 5 seconds in cash, and we're still dropping. So, all right, market is opening now. Let's see where we go. If this is straight drop, then I don't know about this one. All right, there's a 201.30, but it doesn't have a lot of staying power. All right, prices are popping, and price didn't even move. 201s are going for $146 with a high spread, a wide spread. That doesn't make sense either. It's not looking like this is in our favor. The price and the spread and the VIX on top of it. It may not be worth the investment. And all of the buy side is looking weak, and the buy side and the sell side looks weak. So that's telling me that the market doesn't know where it want to go, at least at the moment. Prices are still high and the spread is still wide. As prices pop, there's less and less interest, but VIX has popped to well, sorry, 28, 29. That's higher than pre-markets levels. I don't like this at all. Even price now we pop higher in the 202s maybe, but I don't like taking the risk here. There is a 201.40 that hit the books, and that I think it just hit it, right? Nope, it didn't hit it. I don't like this at all. I'm getting close. I mean, I want to give it some time, but I'm getting close to not touching it. There is a 201.40 that looks good. 201.30. Well, prices are, the spread has definitely worked itself out, but the price is expensive. And the market doesn't know where to want to go. I mean, there's no staying power anywhere right now. There's a 201.50, 201.40 that's pretty heavy, 201.30, but it didn't hit those prices. So VIX has jumped to 21, was 21.60, or 28.60, I'm sorry. And that was for I don't like it. I think this is not a day. It didn't even come to an area of where prices were. Catch that one. And then prices did go higher and then showed no interest, but I don't like it. I don't like it. I'll give it some more time. If it continues to drop, then that's something that I'm gonna have to pass on. Let's see what it does at 270. That was the close of yesterday, 273, I think it was. The analysis was right, but the area of opportunity is not there. Maybe that would have been some money there, but VIX is continuing to go higher. Now 21, 28.69. Give it a little time. Because if we see it, we can potentially pop into 221.10 area potentially. Because that's where the big area of volumes at 221.12 to 221.6. That may be okay. But honestly, y'all, I'm leaning to not play today. And that would have worked out. I just don't like where we were in price. VIX has skyrocketed. We're dropping the close of yesterday. Yeah, they're all over the place. 221 flat. They're all over the place with no real staying power anywhere. With the emotion of the market and seeing orders in the book just everywhere, scattered, no real staying power. Now they're saying 220.90. That's it's just a lot of indecision. 220.90. I'm sorry, 290, 90 cent. And then 221. 221 flat is staying in there, but price hasn't even reached there on the second 5 minutes. Prices are extremely high too. Give it a little time to see. 290 cent is where, okay, we're seeing a lot of staying power there. But we're in the, I don't even have 200s in my watch list. I didn't think it was going to fall that fast. So that's another reason why I probably wouldn't play either. Okay, let's see a little bit of a pop here. Let's see what this pop. Okay, there's a pop with no interest. We're back in the 201s. Where is the big area here? 201s is still high. All right, there's a big pop with no interest there. 201.37. Well, it just broke that high. All right, prices look a little decent. VIX is falling. All right, let's see what this goes here. All right, prices are popping high. Okay, in the mid 201s. No interest. That's a good sign. Let's give it some time. Close to the top of M period yesterday. And as we get in here, there's no interest up here. 85,000 buyers, 438 in volume. It's getting to a place where I'm seeing less interest. All right, 115 on a dollar spread. That looks good. High, but better than 170. And the VIX is falling hard too, which is a good sign. I'm liking it, but it's just not there yet. Okay, that's a huge orders there. Okay, if we get to 180 again, there's a huge order that's got a lot of staying power. 180, 190. Just not happening yet. 202s. And we're popping higher, no interest. May have to wait till this 5 minutes is up. There's a lot of buy side though. Prices are up there, no interest. All right. 202s. Okay, so it's a dollar. I don't see anything particular. All right, I'm gonna enter here 201 puts. 105 is my entry. 201 puts 105. 115. I'm about to get that first $10. 5. All right, that should be 115 right there. All right, I just got my first 10. Oh, yeah, there we go. There we go, sellers. All right. There we go. I was looking for y'all to come in. Excuse my excitement, but that was a lesson in patience right there. All right, 215. I'm done. That's it. That just hit me. 215 was my I'm sorry, 225. I'm sorry. That was my 20. 205 was my entry, 215 was the have, and I keep saying two, I'm sorry. 105 was my entry. 115 is my was my $10, and then 125 is the $20 mark. And right now price is at 135. I'm not sure why I got stuck on two, but 125 or 135 is the price right now. Ah, that was a lesson in patience. I did not like where we were at price, but the fact that we bumped higher with no interest, that gave me the warm and fuzzies. Let me just make sure I'm out of everything, and then I'll move over to you guys. Come on. I'm gonna have to call customer service for TOS because I don't know if anyone else is having issues, but mine is lagging a lot. All right, so I'm all the way out, and price is starting to reverse. So definitely take profit if you haven't already. And let me move over to you all. General chat. So depending on entry, it looks like if you would have had a bad entry, the sellers came in pretty hot too. So let me see how you all did. Got to be in a voice call. Yep. Okay, that's instructions. Yeah, it was looking close to not trading, but that bump higher really gave me the confidence. Let me go down, see how y'all did. Yeah, definitely not forcing a play. Good job, for sure, Pine Q. We're definitely not forcing anything. If it doesn't look good, it doesn't look good. But that bump to the upside really gave me the confidence. Yep, we were still looking at 221 puts because it barely got into the 222s. 221s was in my active trader. Yep. All right, let's get down to a Russell. 221 puts. Yep, that was my 105. Sweet trade. 280. Good job, Russell. Awesome. This was definitely patience. In at 107. Not bad from my entry. That's a good entry. 137. Awesome, Sonny. Took your first TP, Pine Q. Awesome. Yeah, it gave 20, and then look at the reversal. The sellers came in the area where I was really looking for. We just had to be patient today. Let's see. Wave Master. Are you a waiver? I'm a waiver as well. 112 to 122, then 132. Awesome. Yeah, as far as I don't know if it's a coasting, as far as entries, it's broker by broker. And it's I mean, even getting in with in voice, it's still gonna be a little bit of a delay. It's better than typing it, but the voice will at least get you in. Because I would tell you when I say I'm entering, I am pressing the button right at that moment. All right, in at 113. Ooh, not the best price, but out at 123 and then 133. Awesome. Fire. Even with, higher entries than me, we're still getting profits. That's great to see. Mike 113, 114 to 137 for sure. That's great. And at 115, out at 133. Thank y'all for being patient with me. It took a minute to feel comfortable with it. $487.60. Fire. In at 115, out at 125, and out at your final 135. 36. Awesome. Yeah, thank you. Yeah. If it doesn't feel right, it doesn't feel right. I've said it before on here that I equate life to basketball. So it's like taking a jump shot. If it doesn't feel right, then I'm not gonna take the shot. If it does, again, it doesn't mean it's gonna go in, but I'm kind of, I guess you say I'm searching for that feeling. And I definitely didn't have that feeling the first 10 minutes of the market open. All right, fire. Yeah, a bad trader. I wish I can control the ladder. We could have had some slippage too because of the high VIX. I mean, there's a lot of factors that go into um, pricing. I mean, I don't know if you want to focus on getting in closer to mine because that's going to be harder to do. Like I said, it all depends on internet speed. It depends on when your order is in line with others. I mean, there's a lot of factors that's out of our control. 105 to 120. Awesome. 115. I mean, we're seeing people that got my order or my price, and then some that got $10 more and still was profitable. 115 to 138. Awesome. And then 115, and I'm not sure what your out was, but you made $130. Texas Jetty. Awesome. $185 paper. Awesome. I like that you're trying to learn the strategy first. So eventually you move over to cash. 112 out at 122. Bad fill. Yeah, it was pretty high, but $880 after fees. That's fire. You walk around doing the George Jefferson strut, making that type of money. Mm, 41 US profit on M2K futures. Okay. I'm not sure 100% what that means, but I'm guessing that's good. All right. 115, half at 125 and out at 135. Awesome. So, I mean, there are a lot of you all that's getting 115 fills, and I got 105. I mean, I wish I could control it, but even with the higher fills, the sellers push down enough to get at least the $20 mark, at least the $10 mark, and then some 20. $233.20. Awesome. Fire. Oh, well, when I say waiver, I mean like hair. So I didn't know if that's what it meant, if that's what you meant. Oh, okay. Electrical engineering school. Okay. Yeah. Nah, I'm a tight waiver as far as the hair. Let's see. Fiber. Yeah, I mean, it's a lot of factors, but that's a good one. Investing teacher for sure. It could be internet. It could be a lot. It could be a lot of factors. I don't think it's too much a broker issue, more so than just when you press the button, you got a lot of people online with you. You here for wait, being patient. It's not always like that. Sometimes we enter like within a few moments of the market open. It's not really so much timing, it's more so area of opportunity. Even though TPO stands for time, price, opportunity, I'm not so much concerned with the time of that. More so the opportunity in the price, obviously. Okay. Yeah, volatility was crazy. It's died down a lot though. Now it's down to 27, 25, which is still high, but from the 28.70 mark, the market has calmed down a little bit. Emotions have starting to subside. In at 114, out at 124, and then out at 134 fire. Yeah, I like that football analogy. Maybe a bad trader. I like that. 113 to 123, then out at 135. Patience, yes, definitely today was patience. If it don't feel right, why force it? You can't. We don't move the market without orders. It doesn't make any sense to force it. Uh, remember, Davis price is just a that's exactly. I try to say exactly when I'm gonna enter as I'm pressing the button to to alleviate some of the lag, but it's not gonna be perfect. Great day again. Thank you. You're very welcome. How do I see where orders stand? It's level five. So if you use TD Ameritrade, it's called Bookmap. Um, their book map or the platform inside of TD Ameritrade. I keep saying, I'm sorry. I gotta get my words together. I haven't had any coffee. Charles Schwab Think or Swim has book map and it's nice. It just doesn't have all the features you need. You can look at absorption. If you do book map on the app itself, which you can download, it gives you more features that are really helpful. Like you can see compared to Thinkorswim's book map versus the standalone book map, you can see if orders have staying power or if they're more like manipulation. You can see algos, if there's algos in the market on the books. And I'll post a link. It's pretty expensive though. I will say that it's expensive on the desktop version, but the Thinkorswim version is like $30 a month. But again, you don't get all the features on Thinkorswim. I pay for the information $140 a month compared to what we make in the market is nothing, but it's expensive. And I think you could do a lifetime of like $1,100. All right, $17 per contract profit fire and get the meat. I like it. You need to switch brokers. I don't know too much about Robinhood, so it effed you up. Yeah, I mean, because I think Robinhood is free commissions, right? I kind of stay away from zero commission platforms. The whole point of charging us commission so they can recoup the money to get data from the market. And so that kind of guarantees live data or real data. If a platform doesn't charge commissions, then most likely their data is delayed. Yep, TOS is user friendly. It has its quirks. All right, it's not perfect, but I think it's more user friendly than TradeStation, even though TradeStation is great. I started my trading career with TradeStation. You got a better feel on RH. What's RH than TOS simulator? Well, yeah, well, with the simulator in general, you can't expect fills or correct fills because that's not what simulator is made for. Simulator or paper trading is only made for you to learn the platform. It's not really designed for you to practice your strategies on because of the fills. It's two different servers. Rob, uh, Robert, 113, 129. I think it's your sim account. Yeah. Again, just sim account, just expect that the fills are not going to be correct. They don't invest money on in that. It's just simply to learn your platform. Oh, okay. Roth IRA, if you have 25 for 25,000 or more. Okay. I never thought about that. All right. Cool, cool, cool. Looks like I went through all of them. I got a little bit of time. If anybody have any questions, I know a lot of you send me messages privately, which I appreciate, and I hope I answered all of them. If there's any questions or not, I will get out of here. Yeah, the VIX has definitely calmed down. Still high, but definitely calmed down from the open. You are very welcome. Let's see if we can keep this streak going. We started another one. We was on a streak, and then I think it was the last Thursday we caught a loss, but then get back on this consistency bandwagon. We just really need the VIX to calm down, though, man. The VIX has been above 20 for a week and a half now. The spread between bid and ask in options. So typically you want the spread to be no more than $3 between the bid and ask. If it's above $3, then it's not worth the investment because the price has to move too much for you to even be in profit. So a good $3 spread or below, I mean, it takes you no time to at least get back to break even and then start making profit. So I'm an option. That's the vehicle I use. Options. I know a lot of you all. I think one person buys the stocks upright. That's his vehicle, but my vehicle is options. You are very welcome, David. Yeah, patience was today. Again, I don't care too much about time in the TPO. Time price opportunity is more so opportunity and price that I worry about. And then add volume on top of that, which helps. All right. Any other? I see people typing, so let me stick around for a little longer. You are very welcome. Very welcome. You made just under 1,000 on options. Interactive broker. Okay. Your other prop firm glitch. Are you using a prop firm that Russell reviewed and I think he did a live, what was it, a couple days ago, Russell? Was that the same prop firm? I'm gonna check out that video today. Okay. I think that's pretty cool. Did someone win the free account? I know you guys were giving away one or two accounts. Oh, that's awesome. Okay. Nice, nice. Okay. And that's the one that glitched. Shoot, play with free money if you can. Make some money of your own by playing with somebody else's. All the benefit is your way. I've heard a lot of great things about Interactive Broker. I've never used them, but yeah, mysteriously won both. Both won. I'm sure they're not complaining. Right, that's true. You're not in cash accounts. You just play with the money that you have, which is safe too, because they won't allow you to play with if you have insufficient funds too. So it protects you from blowing up your own account or having to owe, because margins accounts, if you're on the wrong side of it, you will have to owe the broker, and they charge a heavy interest fee. You know, how I know that? My early trading journey. I'll tell you, it's not a good feeling to owe your broker. And they put a hold on your account for like a month. So, all right, looks like that is it. Everyone have a great rest of your Tuesday, and we'll get back at it tomorrow morning. Hopefully the VIX calm down. I know I haven't looked at the news to see what's causing it. We haven't had any reports today. Oh, we do? Oh, you have later you have a meeting. All right, Texas Jetty, have a great one. Um, yeah, we don't have any reports other than 10 o'clock, which is not a market mover, but something to pay attention to. I think we have some important news tomorrow to pay attention to, so we'll see how the market moves. All right, everyone, have a great rest of your day. I did record this one, so look out for the video around 8 p.m. Eastern. All right, talk to y'all soon. Bye.